Wait, what if Iron Man turned into Mr. Incredible? Yep, I actually made that happen. Not in Photoshop, not with hours of editing. I used Arting.AI's batch face swap. It lets you swap dozens of faces in seconds. Seriously. Want to see how I did it? Here's the step-by-step.
Step 1. Upload your photo.
Open official website of Arting.AI and find AI batch face swap function on the top. First, upload your target photos. You can add up to 30 at once. Step 2, click Generate and let the magic happen. It's that easy to swap faces in bulk with stunning AI precision. Now the magic happens. Just click Generate. Arting.AI's powerful engine will process all your uploads in one go. No need to wait forever. You'll get up to 30 face-swapped images back in just seconds. It's fast, automatic, and perfect for batch creation. Why wait? Arting.AI gives you pro-level AI tools. Fast, free, and fun. Upload, swap, done.